Welcome, it's time for Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024. I haven't even opened the box yet. Can you believe it? So I'm gonna open it and we're gonna see what's inside and open gift number one. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Can you see it? There's a little bit of a glare. There we go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I love it. It's so pretty. Oh, it's like a real box. It's got a lid. All right, I don't want to ruin that. All right, let me see how I can get this out of here without opening it and without ruining the box. All right, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna have to take the lid off and pull it out. Oh my goodness. All right, moment of truth. So this is the box lid. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at, isn't this neat? So we got a card here, like always. And then this wonderful display. You could put this up on a shelf, that would be really pretty. And all the presents. Oh my goodness, they're so great. There's all kinds. I'm gonna find number one and meet you back here to open it. Okay, I don't think I said it before. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for this year, 2024. Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. You know how much I love this. I can't wait to see what's inside. Now, the way I do this is I will open the gift for that day, and then usually I guess the next day's gift. If you don't want to see that, make sure you pause or move ahead or something like that, because I do like to guess. I also will give this a value. Now, it's loosey-goosey with the value. Sometimes I can't find it online, so I can't find the exact price. So you gotta kind of give me some grace with that. I do my best. I also have a blog on this, so I'll keep track of it all. We can see if we reach the value price. I actually purchased this. This is not something that came to me for free. I bought it with my own money, full price. I also give you my honest opinion, and honestly, you can tell by the look on my face whether I like it or not. So let's open it. I'm so excited. I love this paper. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it. So exciting. I love the stickers, and I always start off saving the stickers and then I end up not, but I do love the stickers. All right. Oh, it's a bag. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, it's wrapped up. Jenny's, oh, what is this? Jenny's Scrappy Fabric Card Making Kit. Create 6 greeting cards and 6 greeting card holders. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. Look at this. It's like all the stuff to make it. There's all these templates, and I'm not sure what these are. Oh, and then we got the pattern here. And cards. I love this. There's like spools and sewing machines. There's a kitty. All kinds of stuff with these stencils. Jenny's fabric. Okay, it has all the directions. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. All right, now there is no fabric in here, but if I know anything about these presents that we get, and you might want to close your ears, usually the next day we get the fabric, or the day before we get the fabric, and then we get the pattern, or something like that. So I'm wondering if that's the next gift. This is really neat. This is exciting. This is something different. It's a craft I don't normally do. I used to scrapbook years ago, but I don't normally do anything like this. I can't wait to play with this and see. All right, now's the time. I'm gonna dig out day number 2, and I am gonna feel it, and I'm gonna make a guess. So if you don't wanna see that, just stop watching now, maybe move to the end of the video or something. So this is your fair warning, okay? I'm gonna grab it. 2 is a box, so maybe it is fabric. It rattles. Do you think it's an ornament? I want to open it. See, when they're in boxes, it's so tempting because look at that. I can just pull that tab. It's not even taped shut. I want to see, but I won't. I'll wait. that is? I don't know, but we'll figure it out. And tomorrow I will have a running total. I'll look up something like this if I can't find the exact same thing, and I'll let you know. And I might try making one since I don't think this is fabric. We'll see. Okay, so exciting. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you tomorrow morning with day 2 unboxing.